YouTubers, today I'd like to talk about my EDC knives. First, and the knife I've carried the longest, is a Gerber EAB. It's basically just a folding box cutter. Takes your standard razor blades that you can swap out as they get dull. I've probably used this knife more than any other knife I carry. Next, it's just a case, stainless steel pocket knife. You never know when you need a good sharp blade. It's hard to beat a case. Next, a Leatherman Micro. I'm not a big fan of all these big bulky multi-tools. They have their uses, but I hate carrying them. But this one, of course, has a pair of scissors. And of course, it has all the other usual little tools that come on them. But I find that the scissors are the most useful part. Next, we have a cheap Chinese assisted opener, the seatbelt cutter, and the glass breaker. And my newest addition that I've started carrying is a Kershaw Blur assisted opener. Anyway, I just want to make a quick video on what I actually carry and use. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. Please also consider supporting us on Patreon so that we can continue to make more of these videos. And you can also join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.